Smoked turkey sandwiches with a Calabrian chili aioli. Aioli is just fancy mayo. We're gonna get about 3/4 of a cup in here. It's enough for 4 sandwiches. Now, Calabrian chili paste is so delicious. It's like a spicy but yet sweet Italian, like crunchy chili paste. So let's get about 2 tablespoons into the mayo. It's made with the Calabrian chilies and a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of olive oil. And if you don't have Calabrian chili paste, you can use sriracha or sambal oelek. And you're making a really fancy, spicy aioli. I know that both Chase and Ashley like spicy food, so I wanna fire this up a little bit for them. Okay, there we go. That's ready to go. So what I did here, I've got some ciabatta rolls. I've toasted them up just a touch, so we'll get the Calabrian aioli on each slice. I have a spicy aioli top on. Just get that spread. Okay, almost there. Okay. So first thing that goes on is some cheese, and this is picante provolone. Picante means it's been aged. It's a little bit more sharp than a regular provolone. I wanted this sandwich to really have a nice, intense flavor. This is such a beautiful, sharp smell. It's a really delicious cheese. There we go. Next, we're gonna get some red peppers on there. So that's the mellow flavor. And just layer as many or as few roasted red peppers that you would like. I like to use jarred roasted red peppers. They're just so convenient. So next, let's get some smoked turkey on there. It's really gonna add a beautiful flavor and a sweetness. My favorite foods are pizza and sandwiches. I'm an easy date. Plus, I'm an easy date because I'll probably be the one cooking. All right, we have the turkey on. So I've got some beautiful basil leaves here. And I love putting basil in salads, on sandwiches. The basil is gonna add this beautiful little sweet aroma and flavor. I do love all my herbs. Okay, just top them off. I wanna wrap them really nice in some wax paper the way my mom used to do when I was little. I can't just send Jo with food for someone else and not give her some too. So I'm also gonna make a sandwich for her. Okay, let's put these sandwiches on the back counter until I get everything ready so I can pack it up. And I'm gonna make myself a sandwich. Look at that. I'm gonna slice mine, and I like to do it on a diagonal. Oh, you guys, isn't that beautiful? Let's get all these flavors into one bite. The Calabrian chili is mellowed just enough by the mayo, and then you have that picante cheese. It's not spicy, it's just really kind of sharp. And then the mellowness of the smoked turkey. I just made one of the most perfect sandwiches ever.